Lymphoma. Difficult question. It is not recommended, but difficult question. It is not recommended in book, or I have never heard like this. But as the tuberculosis is rampant in our country, no, I do not know the answer. I think Dr. Malhotra will be a better person.
Dr. Malik, has there any statistics showing that how much of tuberculosis is positive? Are due to mycobacterium tuberculosis and mycobacterium and out of these, how many are NAT positive? Have you got any statistics? If academic statistics in this hospital?
No, not in hospital, but it is written that we should consider the Mycobacterium avium or like Mycobacterium cancersi for this tuberculosis, because the sputum positivity, it is a presumptive.
The reason for asking this question is that this national program of tuberculosis is built by a body of doctors, and they are recommending a sustainable system to be followed in the country. And part of the doctor fraternity are supposed to follow it. And they say that if you have a positive positive slide test, irrespective of anything, you should start and take the docs there.
Absolutely.
Then there is the question of time to identify and fitting for identifying this mycobacterium.
In case of HIV, I have not told for anything. I have told in case of HIV because the MAC is important, so the treatment will be different also.
So have they said that?
Huh?
Have the tuberculosis assistants said that? I mean the national program said that?
No, national program, if you get the sputum positivity, you start drops. That is correct. But as it is an academic thing, that's why I have told. As per RNTCP guideline, if you getting the sputum positive or any smear positive, you start dots. There is no inch of doubt.
The reason is that because India is a very poor country,
Absolutely correct.
Many people cannot approach for an act, for a PCR,
Absolutely
for
correct.
anything.
Absolutely correct. But it is an academic forum, that's what I have told.
Our cases or
No, our cases.
That is available in your country.
Yes.
that is a part of PCR. Subset of PCR.
And it will particularly see the sequence of the
Whether it is applicable in non-pulmonary tuberculosis also.
non-pulmonary tuberculosis is applicable. You can do the from the urine of the blood, yes. You can do.
No, not for HIV cases. Suppose TB test kit.
It is
Yes,
actually
yes.
more sensitive to fluids from the body.
Any all
Fluids
tissue.
from the body.
Fluids are tissue also.
And PCR is actually it is more readily available in market than culture. Culture, I think you may be having one center in Calcutta. Probably one center is probably doing a culture. So that is why I said that you have the restrictions in the academic.
Absolutely, there is restriction. It is a very sophisticated
আমাদের কি
test.
অ্যাটিপিক্যাল মাইক্রোব্যাকটেরিয়া ডায়াগনোসিস মানে স্পুটামে করতে পারছে করা যায়
না স্পুটামে তো ধরতে পারবে না। স্পুটামে করবে there will be mycobacteria present, yes or no?
কালচার
Culture.
Another thing that iris, immune reconstruction. So if iris is present, do we continue the both the treatments or we should what is the management you did there? Iris we should continue with both the treatments or stop one for that timing.
Iris will occur not by one drug, not by one type of drug. That means when you are giving the dots, iris will never occur. So you have started dots. After 2 or 3 weeks, we have started the cart. And after 4 or 5 days, patient is treated. At that time, there are 2 probabilities: whether it is a drug failure, or whether it is, or after suppose the patient has come after 2 months, patient is deteriorating. And there is 2 probabilities: one is the drug failure, one is the iris. So patient you have to admit, continue the same treatment, and you see the CD4 count, and you see the HIV viral load. If the CD4 count has increased, if the HIV viral load has improved, then most probably it is due to iris. So at that time you should continue the same, but you should keep a very closely whether patient is further deteriorating. If the patient is further deteriorating, then you start the steroid 40 mg prednisolone. Even the patient is deteriorating, then you stop the cart. So that is the answer. You should not discontinue for the iris. Admit the patient, see the CD4 viral load, CD4 and viral load. If the viral load has improved, if the CD4 count has improved, then most probably it is due to iris. So continue, same. Keep a very close eye. Give this prednisolone if the patient is deteriorating. Even after steroid starting, patient is deteriorating, then you have to stop the cart. Again, you have to restart.
How many cases you have detected AIDS or
Iris, I have got 2 patients. Sir.
How many cases you have detected AIDS or HIV in our hospital?
But our hospital.
No, our hospital I have got. Yes, yes.
Then how many cases you have detected HIV or
It's purchased registered number of enrollment society.
Around 1/3 patients.
what?
1/3. 1/3.
And
Then
how
how many
total number
cases?
is that?
You have total
Total আমাদের কত আছে?
Southeastern Railway, the total load is 95.
95.
Full.
Out of this 95, have you got any
That
other?
is not restricted here. Kharagpur has the largest density.
Yeah, out of this 95, have you got any opportunity infection like pneumocystis?
Pneumocystis, we have got the toxoplasma. Yes.
That is I got.
Yeah. Sir, whole thing is
And just 1 minute. Around, I have told previously also, around 8 or 9 months back, I was on leave. On Monday, I have joined. Patient was bed number 19. Patient was more or less unconscious with a history of convulsion. I think Dr. Binithu at that time was there. History, we have referred from division with a history of tuberculosis treated case. Patient has come to admitted in my hospital ward for a convulsion with gradually deteriorating consciousness level. So I thought whether it is a case of tubercular meningitis or it is a cryptococcal meningitis. Immediately I did the HIV and HIV was positive. Then we did the CSF study. Most probably there was tuberculosis, but patient expired. So why I am telling, if I could do the HIV test in that 6 months back, patient will not have died. So that is the lesson. That's why I am telling that in case of tuberculosis, you must see the HIV, whether positive or negative. That is
One case I remember, she was referred to me for endoscopy in a case of diarrhea, chronic diarrhea. She was around 45. So I did a duodenal biopsy, it came out to be AB positive and tuberculosis. And just while doing endoscopy, the sister told me that she is a case of HIV. She was in female medical. So I don't know.
Dr. Malik, besides
She
prednisone,
must be knowing what are the progress.
have you tried this
What are the how it was treated?
why so long?
Have you tried Geflacort and other things?
One
यहाँ पर आओ ना, मैं सब सुन रहे हैं।
X-ray